something.
Picked up this book from Goodwill for $2.50. I printed out the Necronomicon cover that I was going for. So I grabbed the Mod Podge and I applied it all over the front cover. Then I went and I adhered the cover picture to the book. Now we bust out the glue gun. We're going to go over all the details on the Necronomicon pick. Its eyes, its nose, its mouth, all the wrinkles on there. I'm going to do the back cover as well, and then once that dries, we're going to cut the pages out of this book. I'm sorry to anyone that was interested in a book about bulbs, but it's for a better cause. Now we're going to finish the details on the inside of the book. Grab that Mod Podge again with some blue shop towels. You can use paper towels. I just like to use shop towels because they're thicker. You're going to cover this book in Mod Podge, then shop towels, and then in Mod Podge again. Let it dry for 24 hours, then we're going to paint the entire book black. Now we're going to dry brush a thin layer of light yellow. Then we're going to hit it up with some burnt orange. Now some chicka chocolate brown. Then top it all off with bark brown. It really ties the room together. Once we're done, I like to hit it with some acrylic sealer. Gives it a glossy finish to the cover. Now on to the pages. I suggest you go to elderprops.com and go to downloads. You can select which pages you want and download a zip file of them. Some people like to draw their own. More power to you. Here's what happens when I do mine. Okay, now I print these out on a thicker paper, not just normal standard paper. I crumble them up to give them more of an aged look. Now we make some instant coffee and we fill this baking pan. Submerge the pages and let them soak up the coffee. You can throw more instant coffee on top for a more antique effect. Lay the pages out overnight to dry or hit them with a heat gun. Next, I clip them together, then I drill 3 holes through them, and I run some twine to make sure these pages are secure. I then run hot glue along the pages to make sure these suckers aren't going anywhere. Okay, now we're going to run hot glue along the inside spine of the cover. Hold your pages in place until they dry. And now you have your very own Book of the Dead.
Something.